is your private identity based on public opinion. Grabe, no? That people like you, that they are your fans, that they look up to you, that you have a good reputation. But if your private identity is based on public opinion, you are a walking time bomb. Anytime, it can explode. One day, you will crash. Because, you see, people's opinion are unstable. Yes or no? One day, they like you, the next day, they don't like you. One day, they like you again, and the next day, they don't like you again. So don't be imprisoned. Wag po tayong makulong sa isang selda that physically does not exist. Nag-coin po ako ng acronym dito, yung FOWAWSAY. What is this FOWAWSAY? Fear of what others will say about you. Okay? But this should be taken on a proper perspective because I meet people who are insensitive, who are unmindful. Tapos sabi ko, baka may masaktan sila. And then sasabihin, wala akong pakialam sa sasabihin nila because my self-worth is not based on public opinion. It can be taken on a negative mindset. So my formula here is this. Pag mali yung ginagawa mo, you cannot use that as an excuse. Kaya I always remind my kids, focus on an audience of one. I always tell them, nakakalasing ang mga palakpak, nakakalasing ang papuri, pero sa isang iglap, pwedeng mawala yan. Because whenever we perform, whenever we do things, human nature expects us an appreciation or an applaud. But sometimes it doesn't come. And we get discouraged. No matter how much you try, you cannot please the world. So play, perform, and navigate life for an audience of one. Amen? Because by your mere presence, He is already delighted in you because you are His beloved. So make your private identity based on God's opinion about you.